Malarone, administrator, coconut oil, headaches, breathless, muscular dystrophy, chubby, deodorant, chins, lifting things, beeswax, contiguous, twisting, biopsy, arthritis, swimming, swollen tongue, pneumonia, eczema, multiple sclerosis, judge distance, itchy, programmer, red meat, calamine lotion, perfumes, pink eye, angina, gastric bypass, bump in his head, memory, tonic colonic, partial seizure, tingling, paracetamol, beta blocker, concussion, glandular fever, lupus, pulmonary embolism, joint pain, VNS therapy, stroke, freeze, dribbling, convulsions, tetanus, shingles, influenza, blood clots, erythematous, erythema, financial advisor, frontal lobe, Meniere's disease, prevention, fuzzy, loss of hearing, social gathering, propranolol, tinnitus, mouth ulcer, vision, lunchtime, squat position, acute inflammation, anti-clockwise, clockwise, crackling, patella, fuzzy, vomiting, tape, exercise straps, hearing loss, hamstring, stretching, urgency, knee, diabetes, chef, chief, intense, irritable bowel syndrome, femur, pins and needles, antihistamine, swelling, cold sore, depression, heart murmur, cycling, iron deficiency, anemia, nightmares, heat pads, engineering, lying flat position, proton pump inhibitors, dyspepsia, strangulation, kidney infection, wheezing, sweating, pleurisy, jabbing, counseling, tennis ball, sleep apnea, spasm, breathless, ibuprofen, bloating, shivering, perfume, white crust, greasy, sticky, night sweats, crowd places, surveyor, angina, infertile, confidence, antisocial, pink eyes, gastric bypass surgery, swallowing, shivery, shivering, lethargic, lethargy, cold compression, above normal, dread, B12 deficiency, firefighter, anxiety, tired, weightlifter, allergy test, dementia, training in woman club, swimming, soccer, alcohol, fibromyalgia, antispasmodic, disc prolapse, skin dry and cracked, firefighter, pancreatitis, antifungal, mechanic, vomiting, sinus infection, ladder, rotator cuff, cocodamol, ice packs, bump on the head, tonic-clonic seizure, complex partial, trance, dribble, freeze, weight, ribs, rib cage, pulmonary embolism, heparin injections, skin rashes, lupus, joint pain, beta blocker, stroke, vertigo, concussions, anti-inflammatory, corticosteroid injection, ethanol, carbohydrates, golf, constipation, depression, neck, antihistamine, thyroid, steroid injection, miscarriage, C-reactive protein, ultrasound, arthritis, uterine cancer, uterine balloon, right shoulder, light, bleeding, menopause, eczema, meningitis, environmental engineering, scalp, saline drip, hand cream, ointment, kidney stone, insomnia, stroke, vertigo, concussions, stiff, debilitating, journalist, colonoscopy, multivitamin, gastric flu, fitful, fatigue, cloudy, palpitations, barium enema, stomach ulcer, trembling, law, isolated, clouded, joint pain, metallic, caffeine, cystoscopy, high blood pressure, itching, IBS, transplant, dark red, protein, big toe, joints, wrists, shingles, anti-inflammatories, cut my food, listening words, concentration, physical activity, graded exercise therapy, counselor, faint, palpitations, sensitivity to light, underactive thyroid, contagious, antiseptic shampoo, irritated skin, Dilantin, Rhinocort nasal spray, Mucofen, Flurbiprofen, Klonopin, Rivaroxaban, Mitomycin, Flomax, Advair discus, Celebrex, Neurontin, Caltrate plus D, Lunesta, cyclophosphamide, allopurinol, morphine sulfate, zolpidem tartrate, nitroglycerin, gabapentin, clopidogrel, Keflex, atenolol, sodium bicarbonate, dilaudid, neoprene, cardizem, metoprolol, hydralazine, labetalol, hydrochlorothiazide, levothyroxine, celestone solispan, Vioxx, Zyrtec, Proscar, Synthroid, Motrin, Avalox, codeine, chlordiazepoxide, clindinium, simvastatin, flagyl, daptomycin, primaxin, methadone, levaquin, floppy, tongue, earache, spasms, gums, exhaustion, breast cancer, femur, hay fever, project manager, patches, scarlet fever, antacid, craving, irritable, pus, hard, lighter, new mouse, golf ball, jewelry maker, right collarbone, restless leg syndrome, carpal tunnel syndrome, scar, aspiration, burning, yoga, fish oil, nausea, stiffness, pregnancy, clicking, Gardner, fracture, breathless, cheese, drill, mood swing, constant pain, fracture, breathless, burning, jewelry maker, aspiration, prostate cancer, salads, dialysis, life-threatening, finance, cycling, nephron, itchy leg, dark red, cystoscopy, nosebleed, verapamil, vegetarian diet, tooth extraction, cauterization, respiratory infection, depression, biopsy, laparoscopy, pelvic inflammatory disease, fallopian tubes, appendix, faint, miscarriage, dull ache, aggressive, elbow, CBT, punctured lung, smoke inhalation, cellulitis, stiff, tingling, swallowing, graphic designer, blood test, memory lapse, ophthalmologist, prasugrel, clopidogrel, fidget, strengthening exercise, diverticulitis, gastroenterologist, aneurysm, dementia, rheumatoid arthritis, seizure, soccer, dairy, physiotherapy, balance, bearable, bank manager, liver, cancer, tired, migraines, acupuncture, blotches, alcohol, firefighter, gluten, ACE inhibitors, stroke, cracked, bloating, brown marks, speaking cards, meniscus tear, primary Raynaud's syndrome, Raynaud phenomenon, sleeping pills, obstructive sleep apnea, shoulder adhesion, rheumatology, big toe arthritis, baclofen, magazine editor, high-impact sports, darker, frightening, neurology consultation, collarbone, hives, lemonade, sales manager, pruritus, sepsis, peritonitis, steroid, stomach pain, hernia, ventilation, colectomy, cholesterol, stoma, growing pain, flat mattress, coma, hernia, peritonitis, ventilator, loosing stoma, abdominal pain, tonsillitis, withdrawn, limping, knife, ankles, handwriting, stinging, healthy, gallstones, incontinence, accountant, aerobics, healthy or low fat, limping, flight attendant, blood transfusion, yoga, perfumed, hydrated, emotional, beer, flaky, diet free of gluten, blisters, eczema, asthma, drooping, peanut, active thyroid, security guard, nephrologist, neurologist, high fiber diet, cycling, kidney cancer, sciatica, physiotherapy, hiking, kidney graft, canal, thighs, two toes, warehouse, pus, stinging, piercing, Botox, wheezing, fatigue, heartburn, angina, chest, anemia, badminton, blotchy, leathery skin, hips, stiff, weakness, pin and needle, energy, ice packs, long-standing, swollen, dark red, bandage, stiff, swollen, panic attack, herbalist, guitar, hydrocortisone, smell, ice packs, weightlifting, alcohol, hypertension, chest infection, obesity, left ventricle, stage 3, call center, convenience diet, scuba diving, vascular dementia, leukemia, fractured rib, ears, sinuses, sinusitis, scoliosis, translator, fertility, breastfeeding, blurred vision, stroke, angina, absent seizures, rheumatoid fever, echo, stutter, acoustic neuroma, omega-3, hacking, whispering, dog trainer, asthma, lupus, groin, hummer, hammer, incontinence, web designer, pleurisy, chest tightness, chest infection, fertility, jogging, hacking, left leg, obesity, blurring of vision, fast food, astigmatism, white, glue, oral antibiotics, mushrooms, sour, choking, heartburn, osteoarthritis, a warm compress, dental assistant, rubella, salmonella, styes, melatonin, tea tree oil, topical antibiotic, blinking, dandruff, regurgitation, Meniere's disease, social gathering, tinnitus, stretching, acute inflammation, injection, bracing, shoulders, jaundice, muscle relaxant, prickling, knee replacement, humid, clumsy, hepatitis, tai chi, refreshed, aching, bilirubin, dreadful fatigue, headache, cirrhosis, constipation, prostate cancer, dehydrated, stabbing, restless at school, tomatoes, ointment, fusidic acid, clumsy, brain fog, dizziness, handshake, dark urine, tendon, slurred, neighbors, savory, weight, diarrhea, baggage handler, tired vitiligo, commercial artist, strength, senna, laxatives, junk food, climbing stairs, jaw exercise, underactive thyroid, uric acid, osteoporosis, software designer, calcium, constipation, sciatica, preventive medicine, preventive measures, femur, irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, gastric reflux, menopause, cholesterol, sprain, coloscopy, pressure, constipation, dermatologist, malignancy, glandular fever, sweating, sepsis, dental hygienist, blood thinners, insomnia, bitter taste, gallstone, discoloration, sodium, burning, environmental engineer, stiff, hand cream, scalp, sprained ankle, panic attack, dressing, pressure, temperature, tetanus vaccination, financial difficulties, depression, deafness, awareness, brain fog, sharp mind, bereavement, surgery, osteomyelitis, stroke, nail, opioids, opioid, Malarone, administrator, coconut oil, headaches, breathless, muscular dystrophy, chubby, deodorant, chins, lifting things, beeswax, contiguous, twisting, biopsy,